So, I wanted to let you in on a bit of a secret about you. The way you're made is such that your body already has all the potentials that it needs. If it needs energy, it's not that you necessarily need to go and get an energy drink. Your body will, should you leave it alone, have energy. For no reason, almost miraculously, because realize everything that you need, you already are. It's within your makeup. Yeah. Your body can synthesize protein. Your body can, it can do a lot more than you give it credit for. The reason I'm pointing this out is that we often are too responsive to our bodies, and it affects our ability to be disciplined and our ability to be composed. A popular figure on the internet right now, because he's a symbol of toughness, is David Goggins. He loves to go on runs to just callous his mind and challenge himself. My understanding of this is not callousing of your mind necessarily. It's just ignoring stimuli enough that you can be yourself, if that makes sense. So then on his run, he's ignoring his body enough, all that we should sit down, we're losing fat, so on and so forth. He's ignoring it enough that he can actually just get up to a almost Zen state of being himself. I'm pointing this out because you have like a lot of ability and unutilized ability or underutilized ability in that you can do what you're doing and ignore everything and do what you're doing. This would be an entirely new world of production should you be able to not necessarily ignore everything, just allow everything to be, honestly, because the idea is you let it flow through you, yeah? You have it. It's not tolerate it, you just have it, let it be. It means when you sit down to study and you're thirsty, you just have it. Be thirsty. There's health benefits to water fasting, meaning being thirsty is actually good for you. If you're hungry, be hungry. There's health benefits to being hungry. Fasting. It's good for you. If you feel some odd thing happening in your body, you sit there and you be there comfortably. You finish what you're doing, and then only after, if it persists through, which it won't actually, you'll find, only after then you double check whatever this is. Unless it's some known disease like diabetes coming on, like the phenomena of diabetes, the phenomena of hypoglycemia, so on and so forth, something you already know. But if it's something that you don't know and it's popping up, realize that you're fidgety because you're a human being, because you're a mammal, because you're alive, you're fidgety. And you need to sit through the fidgetiness in order to reach a Zen state, for lack of better words. It's almost like you're infested with a need to perpetually move. And you need to uninfest yourself in order to be able to conduct study, to conduct exercise, to conduct composing yourself. Yeah, other people might call it meditation, whatever this is, grounding yourself. Yeah, so it's an important understanding to have that there's nothing wrong, which is difficult to have, but important to have because it will make you able to sit down and do what you're doing, God damn it, and just do it. And that's the essence of what David Goggins is doing when he's running. He's doing what he's doing, what he's doing, what he's doing, what he's doing when he's doing it. Do you see? And this puts you into a flow state, it puts you into a Zen state, puts you where you need to be in order to have a massively higher amount of production. And that's my message to you today. You can stiffen your discipline by simply not fidgeting.